the f? Jesus Christ, this wind. Okay. It's so windy, I have to have the throttle on just for the UMX Timber to hold position. Okay. So I'm going to take off from here, land on that table, do a touch and go and take off, come back around, land over here at the initial starting point, do a touch and go, and try to land back on that table to end. Like proper STOL technique with the tail up. Let's go. Okay, come back and let's do a touch and go right where we started. Roll it a little bit with the tail up, and then now back up and onto the table. I love this plane. This is such a cool airplane. It really is. It's so windy, we're moonwalking a little bit. Look at that, going backwards. Oh, ta-da! The UMX Timber. I love this plane.